Hey everyone! If we are looking for a job or want to be ready for new opportunities, uploading our resume on LinkedIn is a smart step. LinkedIn is one of the main platforms recruiters use to find candidates, and having our resume ready in our profile or job application settings can make the hiring process quicker and easier. Today, we will show how to upload our resume on LinkedIn and explain why it matters for our job search. Uploading our resume on LinkedIn makes it easier for recruiters and hiring managers to check our qualifications. While our LinkedIn profile lists our experience and skills, our resume gives a more formal and detailed view of our background. By uploading it, we can quickly apply for jobs using LinkedIn Easy Apply features and make sure our professional information is always ready. It also helps us stay organized and prepared for any new opportunities. Keeping our resume updated or linked helps us get noticed and considered for the right jobs. Now let's go through these steps together so everyone can follow along. First, open our browser and go to linkedin.com. Log into our account. After logging in, we will see the main page. To upload the resume, we go to our settings. Click the menu logo or our profile picture at the top, and we will see a drop-down beside Me. Click this and go to Settings and Privacy. Once it loads, go to Data and Privacy. We can find it on the left side of the page. Under Data and Privacy, look for the Job Application Settings in the Job Setting Preferences section. Click this. Here, we will see an option to turn on and upload our resume as a PDF, Word, or another supported format. We can upload it. After uploading, it will be available on our profile. Our resume will show up on our LinkedIn profile. This is how we upload our resume on LinkedIn. Make sure our resume is up to date, professional, and matches the jobs we want. When we combine a strong LinkedIn profile with a good resume, we can improve our chances of getting interviews.